Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a riveting saga unfolding in Zimbabwe, a narrative filled with tension, suspicion, and political maneuvers. Let's unpack the escalating conflict between Chris Mutsvangwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chris Mutsvangwa, a notable political figure in Zimbabwe, finds himself in a precarious situation as his son Neville spent yet another weekend behind bars. The plot thickens as Chris suspects that it's not President Mnangagwa who's orchestrating these events, but rather Vice President Chiwenga. Why Chiwenga, you might ask? Well, the political dynamics in Zimbabwe are complex, with a history of intricate power struggles. Mutsvangwa and Chiwenga have been key players in the country's governance, each wielding significant influence, but not always seeing eye to eye. This suspicion isn't just a simple family matter, it's a reflection of deeper political rifts. Neville's arrest and continued detention might be perceived as a move by Chiwenga to weaken Mutsvangwa's political standing or to send a stern message to his rivals. But what does this mean for Zimbabwe? Political instability can have far-reaching impacts, influencing everything from foreign investment to citizens' daily lives. As observers, it's crucial to understand the layers and potential implications of these conflicts. In upcoming updates, we'll keep a close eye on how this situation develops and what it means for the broader political landscape in Zimbabwe. Could this conflict signal a shift in power, or is it merely a bump in the road for the ruling party? Stay tuned as we continue to explore these questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into global political dramas. See you in the next video.